Here's your Gooseman game calls Coyote bark howler, fellas. Easy call to operate if you follow the instructions. And the instructions are quite simple. You want to use back pressure as with any call. Wrap around the end piece here. For a bark, it's simply huffs from the diaphragm. You're not blowing, you're huffing. And watch the hand. You guys that'll hunt them, you know that's the perfect bark. I'm going to combine a bark with the howl. Now on a howl, you want to start with back pressure, like this. To get the good howl through the call, you physically have to put a howl through the call. And I'm talking about like this. Woo! And you notice how I warbled that in the beginning and then pushed it. Woo! And I'm getting some barks in there first. Woo! There you go, that's simple.